For the last couple videos, I started from this point underneath this shade tree. Yes, I have one more time to come up here and take care of things at our friend's house while they're on vacation. But guys, I'm still under the weather. My wife and I did a COVID test and we came up negative, so it's not COVID. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about Kitt, the weather, and vacation. I want to thank you guys for having patience with the crappy videoing. The last, well, makes 3 in a row, I guess. Yeah. I've been under the weather. I'm doing the best I can. I'm glad it's not COVID. I'm glad. I'm hoping it could go away in 4 days. Because in 4 days from now, I go on vacation. All right, let's talk a little bit about Kitt, what I've been doing with him. Well, what's been happening with him. Well, Mr. Kitt here, hey, Bubby, no, go over this way, come on. Mr. Kitt here has been going to the dog park like we always been taking him. This way, you're confused, ain't you? He's been going to the dog park, and he's been meeting some friends. He's still on the other side of the fence when he's meeting these other dogs, but he has been getting up close and personal, you know, with the fence between them, and he isn't scared. Yesterday, it was a dog barking her butt off at him. He didn't get scared. He was more like, well, who are you barking at? Then there was this other dog. Oh my God, this dog was beautiful. It's going to be a huge dog. He was only 6 months old and just as large as can be. Him and Kitt was sitting there. I mean, they could have been friends. Yeah. And then he's met another dog, an older dog. Well, this is through the fence, guys, by the way. And this dog kind of wanted to play with the Kitt a little bit, but kind of not. The owner said it'd be best not to, you know, let him get up close and personal without the fence, because his dog might start a fight. Yeah. Older dogs, older female dog. Many years ago, my wife and my youngest son actually was jumping on that trampoline. I don't know if I got that on video. I think I did. I know I got it on pictures. But yeah, good old Kitt here is making friends. Isn't you, Bubby? You're making friends. That right there might make a perfect thumbnail right there. What do you think, Kitt? Think so? Okay, let's go on and talk about the weather. You know, the boring weather? Oh, I think it's for the next 4 days. We're going to, and starting today, we're going to have temperatures. Actually, it's already started. But the next couple days is going to be really ridiculous. We're going into the don't know what's in that hole. Triple digits, guys. We're going to be into hundreds. I think one day is going to be 100, then we're going to hit 102. And they're even talking about maybe even close to 104, 105. Dog days of summer, y'all. That's right, dog days of summer. They are upon us. I'm just hoping it's over with by the time vacation comes. Okay, that's enough weather. Let's talk about vacation. All right, in 4 days from today, we start our vacation. At 5 o'clock, 4 days from today, we start our vacation. Our vacation will go for, I think, 8 or 9 days. If you remember last vacation, my wife injured her knee. And since I haven't been able to fish the last 2 weekends, we're going to try to fish back to back. We're headed out, and I said this in the last video, Brookville. We're also going to be fishing and headed out to Osgood Trails. And we're going to probably explore some other places. My youngest son's on vacation at the same time, so he may be coming with us on a few of these trips so he could do some photography. I just hope this weather, it's supposed to break by, we're still going to have hot weather for the first day or two of vacation, and then it's supposed to break. At least I'm hoping. That's why I'm in this white shirt. It's cooler, and yeah, it's actually my bedtime shirt. Now, will I be up here the next couple weeks? Or, I'm sorry, any more this year? Maybe not, but more than likely next year I'll be up here doing it again. I see my wife. She must be done inside. I got things to do outdoors. And she got things to do indoors, and usually done in about 30 minutes. Hell, some of the times I've been out here, it would take a couple hours. All right, guys, I purposely went a little ahead of my videos so I could try to rest for the next 4 days. Try to get myself better. Hopefully Angie get better. And the next set of videos you see will be vacation videos. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for having patience. And hopefully vacation will go off without a hitch, and my lovely wife will not injure herself. I would put her on here, but she's in her work uniform. Till next time, guys, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.